Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today I will be listing and ranking hurricane names that I will think that will get retired. So first of all, as we know, the 2024 hurricane season was a very sad and damaging season, and unlike 2023, many names or few names might get retired. So I'm going to rank them and tell you the reasons why. Number one, the unused names, which are Tony, Valerie, and William will go in the unused section because they didn't get used. So how can they get retired? Anyways, moving on to the names that will probably get retired. So the names I have put in is Alberto, Chris, Ernesto, Francine. Then I put Gordon. Then Helene, Isaac. I put Isaac. Then I put Joyce, Kirk, and Leslie. So these names I don't think will get retired. Oh, and Patty, sorry. We won't forget you, Subtropical Storm Patty. So yeah, these names I don't think will get retired because these names they didn't cause that much destruction. Although Alberto and Chris did cause a lot of damage in Mexico. Alberto caused $265 million in damages, and Chris was 10.3 million, I think, or 10.6. Sorry, I can't read my writing because I was rushing it. Anyways, so these names I think I won't get retired. But as you can see on Alberto and Isaac, I have put an asterisk on there. So I'll tell you the reason why I think they might get retired. But if my reason doesn't happen, then they won't get retired. Anyways, so the names I said a small chance of getting retired. These names are as follows: is Nadine, Oscar, Raphael, and Sarah. So first of all, I know you guys might be thinking that these names won't get retired, but let me just tell you, Nadine did cause 10.3 million dollars in damage. Sorry, I mixed up Nadine's and Chris. So but Nadine did cause 10.3 million dollars in damages and caused 13 deaths, which is a lot. So it might get retired, but it might not. Oscar caused 50 million in damages and 8 deaths, so it might get retired. Raphael caused 1.3 billion dollars in damages, billions a lot. Obviously hit Cuba as a category 3, I think. It caused, I think, 10 deaths in total, or 8 missing or something like that. And Sarah caused $139 million in damages and 12 deaths in total. So I'm not talking about the deaths, even though it's really sad that people passed away, unfortunately, because of these storms. I'm talking about the damages. The damages are quite high for these storms. So, they might get retired too. Ernesto's damages was quite high. Haven't written that down, but it could get retired, but I think Ernesto won't. So, Now for the name that I do not know, will it get retired or will it not get retired? That is Debbie. Like, I just don't know if Debbie will get retired or not. Debbie did cause $4.5 billion in damages and 8 deaths, or 18 deaths. Sorry, 18 deaths. And it did hit Florida. So at the WMO meeting, they could, I think there's representatives from different countries. They could say that, like, they want Debbie to get retired or removed because it might be insensitive. Because it stalled over the Carolinas as well. So he can get retired, but as you can see, I'm unsure. Now for the final three, obviously, Hurricane Beryl, Hurricane Helene, probably the main highlight of the season, Helene, and Milton. Yeah, so these names are gonna get retired. There's like no ifs or buts. Beryl did cause $8.32 billion in damages, 66 deaths with 7 missing. Then there's Helene, 78.7 billion deaths, 221 deaths, and they're still finding people. It's just really sad and unfortunate. And for Milton, I wrote, sorry guys, I'm just reading my notes. $34.3 billion in damages and 35 deaths. Milton will probably get retired, all the Milton rapidly intensified in the Gulf. I remembered when they were like, oh, it's tropical depression 14, and then what's it called, Milton just got named a short while after that, then it intensified to category 5, and I think it was the strongest storm of the season. Also Helene, they did really good forecasting with that storm, by the way, which was good. Helene did rapidly intensify. Beryl rapidly intensified 2, I think, and it's the earliest Category 5 and 4 on record. So Beryl stole all the records, I think, from Emily and Dennis in 2005, I think. So, so guys, these are the names I think will get retired. But as I said, for Alberto and Isaac, let me just go over something. So as you know, these lists are recycled every 6 years. So, these names can come again or have been used in the past. So, Alberto was used in 1984. And in the 1984 Atlantic hurricane season, Alberto did cause 33 deaths and $1.03 billion in damages. That's a lot. And there was lots of flooding. I'm not exactly sure where it struck. It did hit somewhere like in the Gulf Coast, and it caused a lot of flooding in one of the states of America. And also, Isaac in 2012 caused 41 deaths and $3.1 billion in damages. So I from the top of my head, I'm just looking at the Force 13 2012 Atlantic hurricane season video that I watched. I don't know where Isaac exactly went, but did it go so many in the Caribbean islands? I think so. But guys, those two might get retired. That's if they consider it. But if they don't consider it, then it probably won't get retired. So guys, this is my list. What do you think of it? If you disagree, you can write it in the comments. Or if you agree, you can just say yeah. But make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe so I can make more videos. Sorry I've not been posting. Obviously, if you don't know, I'm Muslim and I was fasting in Ramzan, and I was like tired, so I couldn't be bothered uploading. And today's Eid day, so I'm actually happy because I've been eating. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, have a nice day.